Picture this, a shimmering speck of light in the infinite blackness of space, a distant world so breathtaking, so impossibly perfect, that it could rewrite everything we thought we knew about life in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the cosmos, has just unveiled a discovery so staggering it's sending shockwaves through the scientific world and beyond. A planet, hidden in the depths of space, not just capable of supporting life, but potentially even more suitable for it than Earth itself. Yes, you heard that right. More suitable than our own blue marble. This isn't science fiction. This is real, raw, and revolutionary. Buckle up, because what you're about to hear will leave you speechless, awestruck, and maybe even a little emotional. This is the story of a cosmic game-changer, a world that could be our future, our hope, our destiny. Let's set the stage. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched into the void with a mission to peer deeper into the universe than ever before, is no ordinary machine. Its golden mirrors, spanning over 21 feet, capture light from the dawn of time itself. It's a time machine, a cosmic detective, unraveling secrets from billions of years ago and scanning distant stars for clues about our place in the universe. For years, it's been beaming back images so stunning they make jaws drop. Galaxies swirling in vibrant hues, stars being born in fiery nurseries. And now, something even more mind-blowing. A planet that could outshine Earth in the search for life. This isn't just another rock floating in space. This is a world that could change everything. Imagine a planet, bathed in the gentle glow of its star, nestled in the perfect spot. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. Scientists call this the Goldilocks zone, that sweet spot where liquid water can exist, the key ingredient for life as we know it. But this planet? It's not just in the Goldilocks zone. It's like the Goldilocks zone was designed for it. Data from the James Webb suggests this world has an atmosphere so rich, so balanced, it makes Earth's look almost ordinary by comparison. Oxygen levels that hint at lush, thriving ecosystems, water vapor swirling in clouds that could rain down on vast oceans, and maybe, just maybe, signs of something even more profound, chemical signatures that scream life. Not just microbial life, but something more complex, something that could be staring back at the stars, wondering if they're alone, just like us. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping details. The James Webb Telescope zeroed in on this planet, orbiting a star in a constellation so distant it takes light years to reach us. This star, a stable, sun-like beacon, bathes its planets in a warm, life-giving glow. The planet in question, roughly 1.2 times the size of Earth, is a super-Earth, a term that sends shivers down the spine of anyone who dreams of cosmic exploration. Its size suggests a world with stronger gravity, potentially richer resources, and a surface that could support landscapes beyond our wildest imagination. Think sprawling forests under twin suns, rivers carving through alien canyons, or oceans teeming with life forms we can't even begin to fathom. The telescope's instruments, finer than anything humanity has ever built, detected something extraordinary in the planet's atmosphere, a cocktail of gases that align almost perfectly with what life needs to thrive. Now let's talk about that atmosphere. The James Webb's spectroscopy tools, which break down light into its components like a cosmic prism, revealed something astonishing. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, all in proportions that mirror Earth's life-friendly mix, but with a twist. There's a hint of methane, just enough to suggest biological processes at work. On Earth, methane comes from living things. Think cows, swamps, or even ancient microbes. Could this planet have its own version of life, churning out gases as a byproduct of existence? The data also shows traces of other complex molecules, ones that scientists are cautiously whispering might be biosignatures, chemical fingerprints of life. This isn't just a hunch. This is hard data, collected by the most advanced telescope ever built, pointing to a world that could be a paradise for life. But what makes this planet even more suitable than Earth? Hold on to your seat, because this is where things get wild. Earth, as incredible as it is, has its flaws. Our atmosphere is thinning in places, our climate is shifting, and our resources are stretched thin by a growing population. This new planet, however, seems to have dodged those problems. Its atmosphere appears thicker, more protective, shielding the surface from harmful radiation while maintaining a stable climate. The James Webb's thermal readings suggest a world with milder temperature swings than Earth, meaning no scorching deserts or frozen tundras, just a harmonious balance that could support life across vast regions. And the water? Oh, the water. The telescope's scans indicate oceans that might cover more of the planet's surface than Earth's, potentially offering endless habitats for life to flourish. Let's pause for a moment to let that sink in. Oceans stretching farther than the eye can see, reflecting the light of a distant star. A world where life might not just survive, but thrive in ways we can barely comprehend. The James Webb's data paints a picture of a planet that could be a cosmic Eden, a place where evolution might have taken paths we can't even imagine. Are there creatures swimming in those oceans? Are there forests swaying in an alien breeze? Could there be intelligent beings gazing up at their sky, asking the same questions we are? The thought alone is enough to make your heart race, to make you feel small, yet connected to something vast and profound. Now let's get technical for a second, because the science behind this discovery is as thrilling as the implications. The James Webb Telescope used a technique called transmission spectroscopy to study this planet. When a planet passes in front of its star, some of the star's light filters through the planet's atmosphere. That light carries clues about the atmosphere's makeup, like a fingerprint of its chemical composition. The telescope's near-infrared spectrograph, a marvel of engineering, captured this light and revealed the stunning mix of gases we've been talking about. But it didn't stop there. The mid-infrared instrument, another of Webb's superpowers, detected heat signatures that suggest the planet's surface is temperate, with conditions that could support liquid water across vast regions. This isn't a frozen ice ball or a scorched desert world. This is a planet that feels alive, vibrant, and ready to rewrite the rulebook on habitability. What's even more mind-bending is the planet's age. Based on the star it orbits, scientists estimate this world is slightly older than Earth, giving it billions of years to evolve. Think about that. Earth's life forms, from single-celled organisms to humans, took 4.5 billion years to get where we are. This planet might have had even more time to cook up something extraordinary. Could it be home to ecosystems more advanced than ours? Could it have civilizations that have already mastered the challenges we're still grappling with? The possibilities are dizzying, and the James Webb Telescope is only scratching the surface of what this world might hold. Let's zoom out for a moment and consider the bigger picture. Humanity has been searching for life beyond Earth. For centuries, from ancient philosophers gazing at the stars to modern scientists launching telescopes into space, the discovery of this planet isn't just a milestone, it's a turning point. It's proof that the universe isn't just a vast, empty void, but a place teeming with potential. Every new piece of data from the James Webb Telescope brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? And this planet, with its tantalizing hints of life, is the strongest clue yet that the answer might be a resounding no. But here's where it gets emotional. This discovery isn't just about science, it's about us. It's about humanity's place in the cosmos, our dreams, our fears, our hopes for the future. Imagine a world where we could send a probe, or even a crew, to explore this planet. Picture the first images coming back: alien landscapes, strange skies, maybe even signs of life. It's the kind of thing that could unite us, inspire us, remind us that we're part of something much bigger than ourselves. This planet could be a beacon, a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities, and that our story is just one chapter in a much larger book. Of course, there's still so much we don't know. The James Webb Telescope has given us a glimpse, but it's just the beginning. Scientists are already planning follow-up observations, using every tool at their disposal to learn more about this world. Is its atmosphere stable over time? Are those biosignatures really what they seem? Could this planet sustain human life? Or is it home to something entirely different? The questions are endless, and each one is a spark that could ignite the next great leap in our understanding of the universe. Let's talk about the star system for a moment, because it's just as fascinating. The star this planet orbits is a stable, medium-sized star, not too different from our Sun, but with a few key advantages. It's less prone to violent flares, which means its planets are less likely to be battered by radiation. This creates a safe haven for life to evolve, free from the cosmic chaos that can disrupt delicate ecosystems. The planet's orbit, perfectly tuned to keep it in the Goldilocks zone, suggests a system that's been stable for billions of years. That kind of stability is rare, and it's one of the reasons scientists are so excited about this discovery. It's like finding a cosmic oasis, a place where life could have had the time and space to flourish. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Could we ever reach this planet? The truth is, it's far, mind-bogglingly far. Light from its star takes years to reach us, and even our fastest spacecraft would take thousands of years to make the journey. But don't let that dim your excitement. This discovery isn't about packing our bags tomorrow. It's about expanding our horizons, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Every step we take, from building better telescopes to developing faster spacecraft, brings us closer to exploring worlds like this one. And who knows? Maybe one day, our descendants will walk on this planet, breathe its air, and marvel at the beauty of a world we first glimpsed through the James Webb Telescope. Let's get back to the planet itself, because there's so much more to unpack. The James Webb's data suggests this world might have a magnetic field, a crucial shield that protects life from harmful cosmic rays. Earth's magnetic field, generated by its molten core, is one of the reasons life has thrived here. If this planet has a similar field, it could be another sign that it's built for life. And then there's the surface. While the telescope can't yet show us detailed images, its data hints at a diverse landscape. Perhaps continents, mountains, or even volcanic activity that could enrich the soil with nutrients. Imagine a world where every corner holds a new surprise, where life could take forms we've never dreamed of. The emotional weight of this discovery can't be overstated. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and wondered if we're alone. Every culture, every civilization has told stories of other worlds, other beings. This planet, discovered by the James Webb Telescope, feels like the universe answering back. It's a reminder that we're part of something vast, something beautiful, something that stretches far beyond our tiny corner of the cosmos. It's humbling, exhilarating, and deeply moving all at once. It makes you want to look up at the night sky and whisper, what else is out there? But let's not get too carried away yet. Scientists are cautious, and for good reason. The data is promising, but it's not definitive. Those biosignatures could have non-biological explanations, like volcanic activity or chemical reactions we don't fully understand. The James Webb Telescope is pushing the limits of what we can observe, but it's not a crystal ball. It gives us clues, not certainties. Still, even the possibility of a planet more suitable for life than Earth is enough to set hearts racing and minds spinning. It's a spark that could ignite a new era of exploration, one where we don't just dream about other worlds, but actively seek them out. Let's talk about what comes next. The scientific community is buzzing with plans to study this planet in even greater detail. More observations are already scheduled, with the James Webb Telescope set to focus its golden mirrors on this world again and again. Other telescopes, both on Earth and in space, will join the effort, pooling their data to paint a clearer picture. Meanwhile, researchers are developing new models to simulate what life on this planet might look like. Could it have plants that photosynthesize under a different kind of light? Could its oceans host creatures that defy our understanding of biology? Every new piece of data brings us closer to answers, and each answer opens a door to new questions. This discovery also raises big questions about our own future. If this planet is as perfect as it seems, could it one day be a home for humanity? The idea of colonizing another world feels like science fiction, but so did landing on the moon a century ago. Technology moves fast, and discoveries like this one fuel the drive to push further. Maybe we'll develop faster spacecraft, or maybe we'll find ways to send robotic explorers to this planet long before humans could make the trip. Either way, this world is a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities and humanity's story is far from over. Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer wonder of it all. The James Webb Telescope, a marvel of human ingenuity, has given us a glimpse of a world that could be a cosmic paradise. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we dream big, when we dare to ask the biggest questions of all. Are we alone? Is there a place for us among the stars? This planet, with its tantalizing hints of life, feels like a step toward answering those questions. It's a spark of hope, a reminder that the universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be explored. Now, let's imagine what it might be like to stand on this planet. Picture yourself stepping onto its surface, feeling the alien soil beneath your feet. The sky above is a different hue, maybe a soft violet or a deep amber, lit by a star that's not quite like our sun. The air is crisp, filled with unfamiliar scents, maybe the tang of alien plants or the salt of a distant ocean. In the distance, you see shapes that could be mountains or forests or something entirely new. Your heart pounds not just from the gravity, but from the realization that you're standing on a world that could be home to life, to stories, to dreams as vivid as our own. It's a moment that would change you forever, a moment that would make you feel connected to the universe in a way you never thought possible. This discovery also reminds us of how fragile our own world is. Earth is a miracle, a delicate balance of conditions that has allowed life to flourish for billions of years. But it's not perfect. Climate change, resource depletion, and our own mistakes threaten the only home we've ever known. This new planet, with its pristine atmosphere and abundant water, feels like a second chance. A reminder that the universe might have other homes for life, maybe even for us. It's a call to action, urging us to protect our own planet while we dream of exploring others. The James Webb Telescope's discovery is more than just a scientific breakthrough. It's a story of hope, of wonder, of possibility. It's a reminder that the universe is bigger than our problems, bigger than our fears, bigger than anything we can imagine. This planet, with its promise of life, is a beacon in the darkness, a sign that we're not just shouting into the void, but listening for an answer. And maybe, just maybe, that answer is closer than we think. As we speak, scientists are poring over the data, running simulations, and dreaming up new ways to study this world. The James Webb Telescope is just the beginning, a tool that's opening doors to places we never thought we'd reach. In the coming years, we'll learn more about this planet, its star, and the mysteries they hold. Each new discovery will bring us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos, and each one will remind us of the power of curiosity, of exploration, of hope. So what does this all mean for you, sitting there, listening to this incredible story? It means you're part of something bigger. You're part of a species that's reaching for the stars, asking questions that echo across the universe. This planet, discovered by the James Webb Telescope, isn't just a distant world. It's a mirror reflecting our dreams, our potential, our future. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, but so is our capacity to explore it. It's a call to look up, to wonder, to imagine what might be waiting out there. Let's end with a thought that might just keep you up at night. Somewhere out there on this incredible planet, there could be life, maybe simple, maybe complex, maybe even intelligent. And if there is, it means we're not alone. It means the universe is alive with stories, with possibilities, with worlds waiting to be discovered. The James Webb Telescope has given us a glimpse of one such world, a planet that could be even more suitable for life than Earth. And that, my friends, is a discovery that changes everything. It's a spark that could light the way to our future, a future where we take our place among the stars. So, look up, dream big, and let's see where this cosmic journey takes us next.